Hola y'all, so today we're gonna be doing this cute little glitter. I try to say that 5 times fast. Honestly, after this I have to work out, so that's gonna be fun. Yeah, I haven't posted in a while. Got a new camera for Christmas. Got my braces off, if you didn't see that, or if you couldn't tell. So if you guys want to stay tuned to see this look, then keep on watching. As you can see, I do have my base on already. I did prime my eyelids with a little bit of concealer, and I used a little bit of bronzer to warm up my eyes. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this palette right here. Ooh, you see that? Oh my gosh. And bam. I'm gonna use Comet right here, and I'm gonna put that on my crease. Let's just use a little bit of Jupiter. We're gonna grab a little bit of that. Mix it a little bit with Stargazer, which is the shade above it, and we're just gonna deepen the crease a little bit more, just in the outer corner. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab my foundation, and I'm just gonna real quick just put everything else together. I'm grabbing a little bit more of Jupiter now that I've put my foundation there, and I'm just gonna blend it together. Just grab a little bit of whirlwind, whatever. We're gonna grab it a little bit of whirlwind. We're just gonna highlight the brow. Whenever you highlight the brow, I only highlight this part of the brow. I will drag it down because sometimes depending on your eye shape or your eyebrow shape, it may drag your eye down, and you don't want that. You want to lift up the eye. So I just put it in the high point. See? So after that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some shimmer right here, this color right here, which is Pandora. We're gonna put it right in the inner corner. So what we do is we put a little bit on the inner corner, and then we drag it out to the beginning of your pupil. So if you're looking forward, you see my eye rests right there, right? That's where I wanted to end. That just kind of lights up the eye and opens up the eye. After that, what we do is we put a little bit of mascara, and that's it. And so that's the finished look. And what do you guys think? So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Peace out. Oh, your breath stinks. Ugh. If you liked it, hey, what's good? This lighting would have been a lot better. Too late.